Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, T-Star Bakings. Okay, previously I posted a video on how to make a pound cake mix taste homemade, but today I will be showing you how to make a pound cake from the scratch, all homey and very detailed. So come with me through the recipe. These are the ingredients we will be using, and remember there is a written recipe written down below in the description box, so check that out and see the measurements for everything. Start by adding your butter. It needs to be softened and room temperature. This is a quick fix to show you how soft it is. Then proceed to add your sugar and oil. So what you're gonna do is to beat this until it's pale and, should I say, fluffy, and then doubled in size. As you do this, make sure you scrape through the side so as to mix the excess butter that stays at the side also. Mix this through, guys. It needs to look this pretty. Scrape the side and start to add your egg one after another. Add another one and mix it through. Add another one and the last one. So at this process, after scraping it, I added my vanilla, but I don't know why it's not here. And then at the other side, I added my salt and baking powder into my flour and gave it a mix, and immediately poured it into my butter mixture. So I poured everything in there and I'm giving this a quick mix. Halfway through it, add your milk. Mix it a bit and then just leave it like that. So I left it so as to not over mix it, and then finished up with my spatula. It's time to pour it into the pan. Pour it into a bread pan lined with parchment paper. You can also decide to not use parchment paper and just rub it with butter and dust it with flour. Bake this for 35 to 40 minutes. You could leave it to stay longer if you want it to be extra brown, just like I did in my previous video. Ooh la la! Like I said, I love to cut it when it's hot, because I need to put that in my tummy as it's hot. Otherwise, you let it cool down before you cut it through. This is just to show you how soft this cake is. Can you see how the fork goes through the cake, like smoothly? This is how soft it is, and trust me, it also tastes super good. You don't want to miss out this recipe, so give it a try and comment down in the comment section below. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you used it. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.